Hello and good evening. Ang daming tao dito sa may Power Plant Mall kasi kare-release lang ng Nissan Patrol. Yan yung bagong Nissan Patrol na lagi natin nakikita within the Facebook, social media platforms, Instagram, and you name it. At syempre, alam ko naging basehan dito yung naging Dubai spec, pero ang alam kong nailabas lang nila ditong unit is yung perhaps yung top of the line one. So yan, please bear with the yung surroundings natin, medyo maingay tayo ngayon. Pero ayan, ito yung they're completely checking this vehicles out. Yan, kaya dinudumog na tayo dito eh. So meron silang dalawang units na nilapag dito sa mismong mall. May itim tsaka may puti. Alright, but ang pinaka-bet ko talaga yung puti. Ayun tingnan natin, lapitan natin. So there it is. Ayan, I'll try my best na para magkaroon tayo ng ng maayos na video presentation para dito sa Nissan Patrol. So yeah, pwede ko nang unahan ito dito sa yan. Oh, look at that. At tingnan mo naman ng natin, two-tone interior. Yan, iba yung binabato ng camera ko, tapos sa mismong kulay interior ng Nissan Patrol. Same goes with the sidings, obviously. Yan, may mga wood trims tayo dito, black wood trims. Yan, tapos tingnan muna natin yung glove box, tap na rin siya, tapos may ilaw na rin sa loob. Tapos hindi ako nakakamay, ayun, Klipsch speakers. Klipsch speakers, very famously known for the best home audio system. Tapos home theater na rin pala. Tapos meron na tayong sunroof right over there. Tapos alam ko magdo 2 minutes na rin tayo dito sa video, pero just wanted to say na may mabubuk kami test drive ngayon. I'm not so sure kung anong oras kami kapag test drive, pero yan, I'll wait for that one. So spoiler alert, hindi na ako nakapag-test drive kasi isa lang yung unit na available at isang oras na ang binigay para sa test drive ng gabing yan. Yan, key features na nakikita ko dito, again, immediately keyless system. Tapos yan, hindi pa ito yung blackout roof eh. Yan, but yung side mirror housings completely body colored, pero meron tayong black trimmings tayo dito. Very nice touch with the black trimmings kasi not too much doon na umaabot na sa roof. I really bet this color within the white kasi ang laki-laki talaga tignan eh. And look at this, ito yung, if hindi ako nagkakamali, ito yung makina ng Nissan Z. Yan. Tapos ito na may mga headlights natin kanina, naka daytime running lights itong mga to. It's like say, parang letter E shape na siya. Tapos may low beam, high beams na rin na nagaganap. Right over there. Tapos fog lights. And I really love the yung output ng bumper nito. Hindi siya yung papunta na sa magiging VIP look, but it's just right for the for the off-road capability and obviously for the aesthetics of it. Yan. Ayan. May nakita tayong nakabukas na headlight right over here. And right over there, this is the left one. Very elegant E-style shape siya, letter E, And front grille for this one, panalong-panalo. Ngayon, tingnan mo naman yung mesh grille na nagaganap tayo as we excuse ourselves. Yep. Let's go. Very beautiful. Yan, the Patrol nameplate right over there. And may mga sensors tayo that goes within the whole bumper. That's very nice. Tapos yan, hydraulic struts as standard. Lapitan natin na konti. There you go. So may VGT sign right over there. And then here are the rims, wheels natin. Very 5 lug nut spec. Ano yung pinagsasabi ko? So yan, naka Yokohama spec siya. 275 by 60, tapos 20 inch. Two-tone. Yan, blind spot warning system. Yan, nakikita nyo diamond, yung triangle pala. Sorry. Kasi continuously with the two-tone. Yan, umabot siya dito. Yan. Obviously, you can opt for the may accessories na rin na window visors that comes available with the vehicle. Tapos ito yung DENR sticker. Yan. Tingnan natin kung may makakaporma ako sa likod. Tapos dito sa event na to, they're actually offering for coffee. Ayan, Pero I'm not so sure kung meron silang freebies for the test drive. So, yan. Ito yung footboards. Nice. So, two-tone. Yan. And so, hitches there. Obviously, we can opt it for the, for the hitch balls. Since free naman, let's go inside. Okay. So, yan. Ano tayo, may screen na tayo dito. Pero kanina gumagana to eh. So, yan. Tapos meron tayong clip speakers dito. Yan. Yan yung one of the speakers. Very comfortable seats ha. Yan. Ay, tatap mo na lang to ha. Tap mo lang siya. Tapos yan yung air conditioning vents natin dito sa taas. As well goes here yung natin climate control system beneath here. Yep, very comfortable seats. Yeah. Tapos yung natin center armrest dito for the second row seats. Yep, let's pwede natin buksan yan. Ayos ah. Diba? So the Philippine market spec is also included with the screens. Nice. Tapos, ayun na pala yung kambyuhan natin. Goodbye with the shift for BRND, yan na yung natin, kambyuhan natin. Pipindutin mo na lang. You're gonna get used to it somehow. And nabuhay rin yung climate control system. Okay. Let's see if we have controls onto the third row seats. So, excuse me. Okay. Ayan. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Thank you. So we're gonna try the third row seating. Thanks for people who controlled the seats. Okay. Oh yeah. Wait lang. Ang bigat, di mo pala to. What's this? So this is where you control the third row seating adjustment. Ayan o. It goes automatically. Ayan o. That's okay. So I'll try my best na i-lift natin to. Okay, kasang-kasa naman ako dito sa third row seating. There's a height of 5'5", 5'6". Ayan, yung headroom natin dito saktong-sakto na. Tapos yung knee-room dito, ayan, saktong-sakto na rin. Probably aatras pa to kasi syempre ang may sasandal pa dito na na kailangan komportable sila. But yan, kanina dinidemo ko to. Ayun. Electronic pala to eh. Yes, yan. Tapos alam ko malawag pa dito yung storage room. Ano yung laman nito?
Yes, sir. Bali, may buttons po tayo dito.
Okay. Tapos yun. Yan, may mga lights natin dito. Meron nga pala ako ipapakitang clip in which magpapakita yung dalawang LCD screen ng warning sign about kapag mag-fold kayo ng second row seats. Abangan nyo na lang mamaya. Tapos tuloy lang natin tong video na ito. May natsambahan tayo, nakabukas yung taillight right over there. Ganda na. Hindi lang nabibigyan ng justice kasi naka 0.5 lens ako ngayon. This is the black one. The same interior color combination pa rin. Yan. Tapos, let's just close the door para hindi tayo nakaharang. Ayun na instrument dial. So, ay, yan. Just to get curious about this one, sasakay tayo rin dito. Natsambahan tayong maluwag to. So, let's be mindful na may tao sa likod. Okay. Okay, tsamba. Nakapag-sakay na rin dito sa driver's seat. 3-spoke steering wheel nga tayo dito. Tapos may paddle shifters for the first time. Alam ko doon sa V8 version wala siyang paddle shifters eh. Tapos yung nakakaano na to, kalaro na sinabi ko kanina, goodbye the shift fork. Tapos ito na yung these are the buttons only. Tapos yan yung mga hazards buttons natin. Yan, para sila. That's very nice. Tapos ayan ito nga pala yung party piece ng Nissan. Yan. Tapos yan yung natin. Hinahin natin ng konti. And then yung 360 degree camera. Tapos yan. Ito nga pala yung going back to the steering wheel. The left, ito yung cruise control, tapos yung natin, audio controls natin dito. I'm very excited kung ano yung magiging speaker power na itong Klipsch premium audio system. Klipsch is very famous from the old home audio and home theater systems. Ang lapad, tapos may mga tayo dito, cup holders.
I like that it's big.
Tapos yung wireless charging natin right over here. Tapos yung auto start stop, that's the switch for it. And then the climate control system. Yeah. And ito nga pala, the buttons are very seamless for the 4-wheel drive system. For high, for low, tapos ito yung diff lock, tapos yung traction control off. And then ito yung different kinds of zones for the road surfaces, kung ano yung kailangan mo dyan. Yeah. For the camera, okay. Tapos, nice. Yeah. Yung 360-degree camera. Tapos fully digital na rin yung natin, yung instrument cluster from the tachometer and to the speedometer. Grab handles dito. Yan. Tapos, yeah, very nice. Ito, yan, may sensor na rin siya dito, may light. Yan, ito yung natin. You flip this one, it goes off. SOS system, yan, kapag sabihin natin, wag naman sana kapag na-aksidente yung sasakyan, yan, there's the button to do that. I'm not so sure if this is fully automatic kapag nag-engage yung airbags. Yeah. So, yeah. And then, let's see if we can try the sunroof. If we can try the sunroof. Yeah. We can do it. But yeah, panoramic sunroof. Hanggang dun sa dulo. Okay. I'm looking onto the, sa agent na kinausap natin. Ay, yung Nim Genius pala. Ito yung start-stop button. No worries, wala dito yung susi. Yan, air vents. Yeah. Very normal air vents. Okay. Tapos may memory seats, power seats. Yan. As I assume na ito ay power folding mirrors. Ito yung fully automatic up and down. Yan. Tapos may memory seats na rin dito. Tapos yung parking brake. Yung parking brake na from the before system dun sa V8. Dati foot brake kasi siya eh. Ngayon siya, electronic parking brake. Tapos may auto hold function. Ngayon ko na nalaman na ito pala ay cooler. Ayun malamig na rin siya. Over there. This is the same exact transmission. Tapos yung engine from the Nissan Z. So 430 brake horsepower. Very responsive. But it will very depend on syempre yung kaha itself. So yan. Unless kung gusto nyo ipapatik itong ECU. So yeah. Continue ko na lang din yung video around here kasi hindi ko magawa na maayos, maraming tao kasi. So electric na rear tailgate. Tapos meron tayong option na pwede mo siyang isarado, tapos pwede mo rin siya to lock the same time. Ngayon, nagawa ko na to kanina. Yan. Kasi ito pala, sisilip ko lang ako sa inyo yung storage. Hindi ko alam po ano yung nakatago lang dito, but yan. That's the very first comment na masasabi ko. Yung second row seats, you have to take precaution kung i-fold mo siya. Kasi may tendency kasi siyang tumama dito sa screen. Kanina, nung ina-access ko to, galing ako sa likod. Right over there, ayun see the caution? Yan. Kanina nung i-fold ko to, itong headrest bigla na kumpas dito sa screen. So be mindful for that one. Yan, nasa. Yan. There's no soft closing doors. Ayan. Just to take note. Tapos meron siyang okay, that's very interesting. Yung lines dito para sa rear defogger ay kompleto. While we're going dito sa kabila, pupunta tayo sa kabila, bungi-bungi. Pansin nyo? Ayan bungi-bungi. Right over there. Tinitingnan ko yung design naman dito sa air conditioning. It's just plainly the same. Yan. Ito bungi, nakikita nyo yan. Tapos doon sa dulo, yung kabila, dito, ayan. Buong buo siya. Yan. There's a test drive. Yan. The very hassle na pila na test drive. Yan. Jump pack na nga daw. Until 8 o'clock na nga lang daw yung pila. Pero naka-register na tayo from 6 right before na-unveil na to. And time to wrap it up na rin itong video na to. Very apologize guys na medyo magulo yung naging ambience namin dito. Siyempre, first release, maraming tao na to. May mga tayong part 2 series dito para sa Nissan Patrol. I promise you, abang-abangan niya yun yung test drive dun sa Manila International Auto Show. And like, comment, share, and subscribe guys. Thank you very much for watching. Peace and goodbye.